Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Zeerk. Zeerk is an online marketplace where individuals can buy and sell various services. It provides a platform for freelancers and entrepreneurs to showcase their skills and their expertise for potential clients. Zeerk offers a wide range of service across different categories including graphic design, writing, programming, and marketing. One of the key features of Zeerk is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for both buyers and sellers to navigate and use the platform. The website is well designed and offers straightforward procedures for finding and purchasing services. Seller can create detailed profile including portfolio and reviews to showcase their ability to build and do the job. For buyers, okay, enough talking, let's create the account. Wait, you can choose for now, am I a freelancer or a client? The email, the password. Like this, register. So for buyers, Zeerk provides a convenient way to find and hire talented professionals and various tasks. The platform offers search features and filtering options. Okay, you have to verify your email. Buyers can also read the reviews and rating from previous clients before making a purchase. So, welcome to Zeerk. Please verify your email. Now, my email is verified. So this is the account. I am what? Jobs. I think I'm a freelancer. Let's see the settings. Okay, where to change? If it's job, sales, shipping request, post request. Okay, I'm a client, not a freelancer. I vacation mode. Sale, shopping, requests. So I think this is the client side, the buyer. I need some link account in your own price. I need real permanent YouTube views, monetize that rise, watch hours. Please help to recover my Facebook account. So I think you are a freelancer at all. Or you can do both. So people need help, you offer help. So another aspect of that sets Zeek apart is its affordability. So the prices. Many services on the platform are offered at competitive prices, making it an attractive option for individuals or businesses with limited budget. However, it's important to note that the quality of service can vary depending on the seller. So buyers should be careful to review the seller's profile and rating before making a commitment. So I was asking if I was the seller or the buyer in this case. I think I'm both in the same time. So those are the offers: gaming, game design, game testing. I would like to. Whoa. Okay. Play to earn. I need player to play mini game to earn dollars. $10 to try a game. I can do anything for the right price, I mean. Okay. Optimize your gaming PC. Those are some ads. So for Facebook, people are looking for help. Instant 100 real active users, 5 stars. I will do your Facebook business page raise. Okay, I think this is the buyer station. You are not selling, you are buying. And yes, this is the buyer. I don't know, something is wrong. If am I the buyer or the seller? But I think I'm both in the same time. You can post a request and you can see requests. Here we have all requests. USA account verification, need a Facebook ID, real estate virtual assistance. Okay, I think, yeah, you can do both in the same time. Post jobs and see jobs. You can search item, category, lots of categories. Tag, if you have a specific tag. Minimum budget, max budget, deadline. So those are the jobs that you can do. You can click on view more and complete the job and get paid. You can also see the customers' information. What are they selling? What are they offering? And last seen 2 hours. You can view information before making a deal. And you can see rating. So this is how the website works. So overall, Zeerk provides a convenient and accessible platform for freelancers and clients to connect and collaborate, whether you are looking for a service provider or you want to offer your skills. Zeerk offers a user-friendly experience and a wide range of services to meet your needs. Just remember to do your due diligence and thoroughly review each seller's profile and feedback to ensure satisfactory income. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.